With our newer, deeper-faced, larger-headed drivers, a lot of people have a large amount of confusion about teeing the ball high and how high and where on the face to tee it. I want to make this a little more clear for you. What we're going to do is when we tee the ball up, we like to have at least half the ball above the crown of the club. Reason for this is the hottest spots in the face are not low and around where the welds are, but up here in the top corners of the club. This is where you're going to get the maximum amount of spring. Secondly, when we tee the ball up, we don't want to put it right in the center of the face. We want to favor the toe just a little bit for this same reason. When the ball's teed up, you're going to be swinging up just a little bit, and that'll bring the ball back into that heel part of the club, which isn't quite as forgiving, and you won't get the distance that you're looking for. Next time you go out and play, give this a try. I'm sure you're going to see some new success.